against the wall without a second thought. And he feels he's wasting his breath trying to talk sense to her. Mary says he's lacking a real sense of proportion. Georgie comes ahead, says she should be used to it. Johnny's always running around